Welcome. It is Saturday and we're leaving to go to California.
Mom, you better watch out.
I got
Evo's trying to jump up there.
No, Eva.
Evo was trying to get in your seat. Daddy had a
So we forgot the Nintendo. We had to go back to the house and get it. But we got all the dogs in the car. You can see 2 of them here. You really can't see the other one, but the other 2 are back there. The kids are way back there. About to take them to my sister's, and then we're gonna head to Atlanta. So we will see you when we get to the airport.
I'm gonna smell. My nose makes the smell go in my mouth.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Only one of them here. Because mommy, only
What?
one here. Because I had the fireballs.
We had the fireballs.
I hope someone that knows how to use it can Mommy, I want to go back and play
How much is it?
Mommy, let's go back and play it.
Oh, it's not even the base.
Let's go back and play the game. Yes, here's the bait in it. Mommy,
And it's but it's mainly launchers.
Mommy, can I go back and play the game?
Is Xander with Daddy?
Yeah. Yeah. Mommy, it's $20. Mommy, there is a 2-player game over there.
You can play it.
Mommy, you see over there where those chairs are? Those are where the two players.
So we had to drop the dogs off at my sister's, and now we're at Second Charles, wasting some time until we get on the airport.
No.
Until we get on the plane. I can't speak today. Look at this, Gabriel.
Wow.
And Samson, of course, wants to play Mario.
Mommy, can I have it?
Don't we have this at home? Y'all just don't ever play it?
Yeah, because
Yeah.
it's messed up. It needs to get taped.
It needs to be taped. Well, then we could tape that.
Then get set back up like how you had it.
If it's love that you need, you can't take it from me. 'Cause I'm the one who's giving it up. And I know it's been hard, but you've made it this far. No, I'm the one who's giving it up.
Second Charles has so much stuff.
First player.
Is he first player?
Yes, you do not know to play.
Show him the buttons to press.
You have to move your controller.
Yeah, you have to move it.
And I'm right the one who's giving it up.
Like I said, this store has literally everything. And it's so cute.
What happened if there was only one Target in the whole Target of California?
No, there's not only one Target in the whole entire California.
Okay.
So excited for FGTV toys.
Yeah, you really can, but there's squishy.
Well, there's a big TV $40.
Wait, is
Are you
it
kidding
putty?
me?
What?
The TVs have putty. Wait, can we get
Are you kidding
two?
me?
Can we get two?
No, but
Can you only have one?
You can have 0. Put it back.
how are they only on the Roblox Series 4? Didn't you get Series 6 for Christmas? Wow, they're behind.
Why do we not have any?
A lot of
Daddy?
stores
What
in
I
there.
say?
There's Ninja.
Hey, Daddy, look. Daddy, look.
They don't have a lot of FGTV
Samson.
toys.
What is it, a football?
Here.
Stop.
Here.
Catch it, Samson. Catch it.
No,
Y'all are babies.
Like to walk down.
Go. And I don't wait so we don't crash. You have to go down lots of them.
small children.
I'm not smiling.
You don't have to smile. Are you ready to go do some meetings? Yes. Are you tired? Okay. Gabriel, you ready to go some meetings?
Yes.
Are you tired?
It's gonna be fun.
Yeah, it's gonna be
Kinda
fun.
right now.
Yeah.
I'm not sharing Gable with my covers.
Gabriel has his own covers.
I thought you gave him to Xander.
So we made it to California. The kids are showering. I'm about to shower. So I'm going to end this here, and I will see you in our next video. Thank you for following along on taking our kids across country.